Hey guys, it's Lonan and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. Where else would it be, like, honestly? Today I've created this really bad festival look. If you don't like it already, you're not gonna like it during the video because it just gets worse. I tried to do something and it just did not go to plan. Well, I did go to plan and then it just magically up. So this is what the outcome is. If you do like the look of this, continue watching because I will show you how to do it. This isn't my best piece of work, nor is it my worst. Yeah, if you do like the sound of this, continue watching the video and I will see you on the other side. So today I'm going to be creating this look on my other eye. So first of all, I'm taking my yellow shade from my Morphe 35B palette and just placing this all over my crease. We want to have a nice generous amount to this. Sorry, in the last video I remember I was like covering half my face in the mirror. I will try not to do that this week. Oh yeah, what did you guys think of my last video? Like, did you like it? Did you not like it? People actually recreated it. I was shocked. I was like, someone actually redid my shitty look. I was like, what? But yeah, thank you to them people that did recreate it. That meant so much to me. Like there-ish. And then just started blending. Yeah. So I'm just placing the orange from the Morphe 35B as well, and I'm just placing that down a tad lower. Then I'm just wiping my brush on a towel just to clean it, and then blending these two together. I'm just taking the hot pink from my Morphe palette and I'm placing that towards my lash line. Blending upwards. No, I went in with the darkest shade of pink, the like berry pinky colour towards my lash line. This berry pink really won't make much of a difference. And then I'm just going to add a tad of this black. I don't want to overblend anything. That's something I did learn in college this week. Did you guys know there's such thing as overblending? Because I did not know that. Like, nobody informed me about this. Nikki needs to just be quiet right now. So just off camera, I'm going to cut my crease, and all I'm going to do is place the concealer along my lash line and then push my lash up to the sky to carve out where my crease is going to be and then fill it in, and then I'll be back. Now jumping into my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking the royal blue shade on a powder brush, and I'm just going to pack this in. So now that that is applied, I'm taking my back original bullet brush with my pink colours on it, and I'm just going to slightly blend that in. For primer, I am applying the Baby Skin primer from Maybelline. I'm just using a pea-sized amount of that because if I put too much, it's just going to not let the foundation sink into it and give the foundation a bad layer to be starting on. Now I'm obviously jumping into foundation, and what other foundation am I going to be using other than Fenty? None. Well, I just had a big massive 11 moment. I feel like Millie Bobby Brown. Using my Laura Mercier powder, I'm going in under my eyes and just packing this in to set my concealer into place. And kind of towards my nose because I have an oily T-zone. So I've just placed the powder where I tend to lose product, and this is just going to set it into place. While that is just baking up in the oven, I'm taking a Morphe brush, it's a contour brush, and my Kat Von D my Kat Von D palette, and I'm just going to bronze and contour. I always bronze my forehead even though my hair covers it. I just do it anyway because it gives me something to do. If anyone watched my last video, I said that my contour sometimes looks muddy, and it does again today. I think it's like my foundation is like the wrong kind of like foundation for this contour or something like that. Like the wrong undertone or something. Just keep on blending this contour out. Now I'm just going to swipe away any excess bake. Oh my good god! Why has that done that? Why is my crease extended up and changed shape? Why has it done that? Just taking the powder, I'm just gonna define my contour. Just swiping away my bake. Right, I'm gonna do it under my eyes now, using the pink. I've just popped that white into my waterline. I will continue what I was doing. So I'm just going in with the hot pink and connecting that up. There's so many colours going on right now. Set my face into place, and then I need to highlight. This is just the Topshop highlighter again that we used in the last video. That is so gorgeous. I'm gonna add some colour back into my face using the Tarte blush in the shade Party. I had such high expectations. I was doing this makeup specifically at this time for sun hour, and the sunset is hidden behind the clouds, so it's a little bit annoying. The Tin Man has returned. I'm using Moon by Kylie. I love this colour. So guys, that was the video. I hope you did enjoy watching it. I'm sorry it wasn't the best thing ever and really boring. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, tell all your friends, family, pets, and yeah, peace out.